Hi guys. Hi, Yahya here. So I'm going to show you how I edit my food photos, one of my favorite food photos in Lightroom Classic, in Adobe Lightroom Classics. So without further ado, let's start now. Okay, so I will open up my, let me see, what's this? Okay, so this is my favorite food photo. So I already actually edit, and this is Lightroom Classic. Okay, so I will go to develop, and then after that I will reset this. So I will so that I can show you. So this is how it looks like after I edit, and then after that I can show you the comparison. This is the before, and this is the after, right? So let me hit a screen record for you so that you won't miss out. You can actually see the actual screen, right? Just let me. Okay, so now my screen is recording, so I'll be showing you the what do you call it? How to edit this photo into this photo. Okay, so we go back to this, and then we will reset this. So this is how it looks like when I import it into Adobe Lightroom Classic. So the first thing I will do is I will go to the Adobe Color. This is for food photography. So for food photography, I always go to Adobe Vivid. So you make it look more sharper, more contrasty, and the color will come out a bit. Yeah. And then usually I just hit auto. Make it very simple. So as you can see, it already changed a lot. If you can see the previous one, it changed a little bit, right? Then after that, I will go down, and I will go to the texture here. I will go to put at 75. Make it even sharper. Can you see that? It is even sharper. At first it was like this, right? Then I want to make it even sharper. I can see the crispy here, crisp. Yeah, so usually I go to 75. It's okay. Just put it there so that it will look more delicious. The details are out in the image, right? Then the clarity I usually play from 12, from 11 to 19. So this one I will just put at 11, will do, or 12. Yep. And then this is all being very nicely done. So it looks cool. See, it looks sharper. So you can see that it is a bit, there's a little bit of grains here, so a bit of noise here, right? So this one is very easy. You have just to go down to the sharpening, the detailing, okay, the detailing. So what I do is usually I go to make sure that this is ISO 100. If this is ISO 100, then it will be very simple for you. Just go to 70. This is my number one rule. You can just follow how I edit using this detailing method, and usually I go to 2.1, okay, and 26 or 27. So I put it at 26. Usually the masking is usually from 67 to 77. So this is just nice, right? Just nice. A bit more, okay, just nice. So you can see it's much sharper. Now the things that the magic of this thing, right? You can see still some noise is the luminance. So I increase the luminance to 30 to make it look a bit more smoother, a bit more to reduce the noise. So when you look at far, it looks very sharp, right? It looks sharp, so it looks nice. So the next thing I do is to remove chromatic aberration. Just click on this and enable profile corrections for the lens. So I using the Sigma 56mm f1.4 DCDN for Sony mount. And then after that, this one is upright. Usually I don't do this. You can try, but for me, I put it on a tripod, so it's good. So I don't have to change anything. And the most important thing for food photography, right? You need to bring down the side. So they call it the vignetting. I have problems pronouncing this vignetting. So usually I put a safe for safe standard, put at -30, which is good enough. Okay, it brings out the center of the food, which is very very nice. Okay, and then after that, for this, usually this is my standard. I usually go to the green primary color. I increase the hue to about 9 or 11. Okay, and the saturation just a little bit, -2 is enough. All right, and that's it. That's about it. So now you go back up and you want to change the auto here. Looks a bit better. Can change the daylight. Can change the mood of the food. You can change to shade, or you can change to fluorescent. Fluorescent is almost the same as the as shop, right? I see this is a bit orangey. So I like this one. It's very nice. And so you can also increase the brightness, right? You can see here it a bit gives a bit of those brighter in the brightly in the center. So this is very good. This is very nice. So this is how I edit my photo. So that's about it. So this is how I edit all my food photography. If you can use this technique, it'll be very easy. Just follow my steps and you'll be safe, right? So thank you guys for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.